Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the body, legs, and motor base of the Thermomix TM6. Let's dive right into the necessary steps and tools you'll need. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Torx T20 screwdriver. 4. Soft cloth for cleaning. 5. Replacement parts, body, legs, motor base. 6. A magnetic tray to hold screws. Step 1. Preparation. Before starting, ensure that your Thermomix TM6 is unplugged. Gather all the tools listed above and prepare a clean workspace. This will help keep everything organized and prevent any loss of screws. Step 2. Removing the base. Begin by placing the Thermomix TM6 upside down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the base. Keep these screws in your magnetic tray for easy access later. Next, gently lift the base away from the body. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. This is crucial as forcing it can damage the unit. Step 3. Detaching the legs. With the base removed, locate the screws securing the legs to the body. Utilize the Torx T20 screwdriver for this task. Carefully remove each leg, ensuring you remember the order and orientation for reassembly. If you find the screws stuck, a little bit of penetrating oil can help loosen them. Step 4. Cleaning the internal components. Once the legs are off, take a moment to clean the internal components of your Thermomix. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or residue. This is a great opportunity to ensure everything is in top condition. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your machine. Step 5. Replacing the motor base. Now, turn your attention to the motor base. Remove any screws holding it in place using the appropriate screwdriver. If you don't feel comfortable with this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assist you in assessing the situation. Once the motor base is free, replace it with the new component. Make sure to align it correctly before securing it with screws. Step 6. Reattaching the legs. With the new motor base in place, it's time to reattach the legs. Place each leg back in its original position and secure it with the screws. Be sure to tighten them without overdoing it, as this can strip the screws. Step 7. Replacing the base. Finally, align the base back onto the body and secure it with the Phillips screws. Double-check that everything is tight and in place. If at any point you feel overwhelmed or lack the necessary tools, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free experience. Step 8. Final check. Once everything is reassembled, do a final check. Ensure all screws are tightened and that there are no leftover parts. Plug in your Thermomix TM6 and test it to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, remember to get a quote before repair. We're here to help. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the body, legs, and motor base of the Thermomix TM6. Follow these steps carefully for a successful repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.